Welcome. If you want to transfer data between Doogee S90 and other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on your Doogee, tab on the search, and right now we have to get the application CLONEit. This is the application to transfer data and we are going to use it in this video. So do the same on the second smartphone. I just did it, so right now I can open it and also open on your Doogee. Click allow 2 times right here. And you have to choose what you want to do. If you want to send data from Doogee, you click sender. If you want to receive data, you click receiver. So maybe I'm going to send data from Android phone to your Doogee. So click here sender and receiver on your Doogee S90. Click allow, tap on the search again. And right now just wait a little bit. Click on this Android share icon. And we have 2 ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input the password manually. I'm going to scan the code, click on it, tap on the allow. And right now we have to wait. And they are connecting right now. Accept the request. And if you want to set everything, just click on all of these icons and then tap on the start. But if you want to only get some details, for example music or photos, you have to click here, and right now I'm gonna unselect all of the stuff and I will select these 2 songs, click start, OK, and right now it's finished, so we can check how it works. Let's go for the file manager. And in these audios we can find the 2 songs that we sent from the Android smartphone to Doogee S90. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.